Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is Netstat. So let's get started. Every day, computers and other digital devices engage in a virtual ballet of data exchange, communicating with servers, other devices, and the internet at large. Managing and keeping track of these network communications can be a daunting task. That's where network utilities like the Netstat command come into play. Think of Netstat as a control tower at an airport, providing insights about the traffic that's coming in and going out. The Netstat, short for Network Statistics, is a command line tool used across various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and macOS. This handy tool provides real-time information about the current transmission control protocol, that is, TCP network connections and listening ports on a system, akin to how an air traffic control tower keeps track of all the planes taking off, landing, and currently in flight. When you enter the Netstat command in your system's command prompt or terminal, the output includes the source and the destination IP addresses, the port numbers of active connections, and the state of the TCP connections. These states could be established, that is, a connection is active, listening, that is indicating that a port is waiting for incoming connection, or several others that signify transitional or error conditions. Imagine you are at an airport control tower. The source IP addresses would be like the departure city, the destination IP address would be like the arrival city, and the port numbers would be like the flight numbers. The state of the TCP connection is like the status of the flight: boarding, in-flight, landed, etc. Netstat can also display the program associated with each connection. Just as a control tower would know which airline operates each flight, Netstat can tell you which application or process on your computer is responsible for each network connection. This can be particularly useful for identifying rogue processes or applications that shouldn't be making network connections, like malware communicating with its command and control server. Additionally, Netstat can provide statistics about network traffic in bytes, similar to how an air traffic control tower might keep statistics about the number of passengers or amount of cargo each plane carries. It can also display Ethernet statistics akin to monitoring the efficiency and performance of the airport's runways and taxiways. Netstat can even resolve external IP addresses to fully qualified domain names, that is FQDNS, giving you a more human-readable view of who your computer is talking to. If IP addresses are like GPS coordinates, then FQDNS are like street addresses, much easier for most people to understand. Lastly, the Netstat command can display the system's IP routing table, the map that your computer uses to decide where to send network traffic. Using our airport analogy, the routing table is like the flight routes that pilots follow to reach their destinations. It's very important to note that the specific syntax and options available for the Netstat command can vary between different operating systems. To see the syntax and the full range of options on your system, you can use the Netstat-H command. This is like looking at the instruction manual for the control tower's equipment. It tells you what each switch and dial does. Using the Netstat command effectively can give you valuable insights into your computer's network communication. Whether you are a system administrator troubleshooting a network issue, a security analyst investigating a potential intrusion, or a curious user trying to understand your system's interaction with the outside world, Netstat can be an invaluable tool. Remember, though, that as with any tool, its power lies in understanding how to use it correctly and responsibly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website. And don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we'll try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.